Well, it's officially winter here in Canada land. I've got a few things I want to do on the truck this winter, so probably going to get started on that here. I've got to take the front fenders off, the hood off. The front suspension is currently 1978 Mustang 2. It's all factory stamped upper and lower control arms. I've got some tubular control arms from Jags that should help make a difference anyway. And I've got something going wrong in the valve train, not sure, so going to tear part of the motor down, get the blower off at least. I want to have a visual inspection of that, make sure everything's still good there. I may end up doing a cam change, not sure. I got a few bits here. So here are the upper and lower control arms. Straight tubular. This is no strut, which will save a bit of weight. I'll have to do a little bit of reinforcing, but should be fine. I've got a new trans dip tube, throttle cable. I'm actually taking a note out of Kevin from KSR's book. This is the lid that they used on the El Camino for their water box. I'm going to build a water box myself. And then just new air filter, new coupler. So yeah, I'll get to tearing this thing apart, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. Get it up on jack stands here. Well, that took longer than I wanted it to, but got the hood and fenders off. Now I can get at the engine easily and check out what's going on there and upgrade that suspension. Well, that was tons of fun. Got the suspension out of there. Had to use the death compressors to take the springs out, but I survived, and yeah. So the first thing I've got to do is drill out these holes to 5/8. The bolt on the new control arms is a larger diameter. And then I've got to cut these brackets off. That's for the original strut that's no longer going to be used. So once I get that done, then I can start installing the new control arms. So this is slowly turning into the job that never ends. I got the sway bar off so I could gain access to the bolt holes on the cross member. I got those drilled out to 5/8 and was going to start mocking everything up until I got looking at my spindles. I got two problems going on here. This driver's side spindle, I don't know if these are casting marks or actually cracks. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but they do look like cracks to me. So that's the first problem. So I ordered new spindles. Second one is my brakes, if you can see this on camera as well, are not even wearing close to evenly. And as far as I can tell, I think it's due to these cast C brackets for the GM calipers. I've ordered steel ones. Steel has about 4 times the tensile strength of cast, so maybe that'll solve it. I don't know. But either way, I'm waiting on more parts again, so I guess I'll pick this up another day.